this is a rubber band gun that I made. It's really simple, the mechanism, but it works really good. So there's the trigger part that you pull that I made. I just stuck that in and stuff. Then that holds the rubber bands that put the tension so that when you pull the trigger, it comes back, and also it won't release. This won't let it just fire. So when I pull the trigger, it pulls it down like that, and that's how it works.
Cool.
Yeah.
What is it made out of?
It's made out of cardboard and hot glue and popsicle sticks. That's all.
Okay.
Well, and rubber bands, obviously.
Okay. And how many rubber bands do you have there?
There's 4 actually.
And that's just 2?
I was using 3, but it wasn't enough tension. Well, it wasn't firing, but the trigger was too far down, so it was kind of hard to pull.
Mm-hmm.
So I put 4 on. Now it's good.
Okay, so that's just for tension. And then
Yeah.
how does that other rubber band hold on to there? Can you show me how it goes on?
Sure. So grab it right here, stick it on. It goes right there.
Oh, okay.
Then
Simple.
Yeah.
Cool. Thanks.
it's really fun.